Hello and welcome back to the DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to watch MUTV on Android TV. So first thing you need to do is go to Google or go to the browser of choice. And you're going to type in MAN United TV. Or rather just MUTV and you search. So you're going to find different options. www.manunited.com, and that's the one you click on. So click on this and you have to, at this point, wait for it to load. When it's done loading, you can see latest MUTV, the store, the pictures, the tickets, hospitality, and all that good stuff. You also see the search bar at the top right of the screen. So all these are stories. There are different categories, so you have to choose what you want. You could build up your list and put up your preferences there in terms of the information you're privy to. So like the MUW in training or whatever you choose. So navigate down and you can find all of the feed on this particular MUTV homepage. You will also choose to go up to the latest, and on that tab you can find the latest breaking news, news alerts, latest transfers, and all that good stuff. At a certain time you can go to the store. This will redirect you to store.manunited.com. On the store you could access merch, you could access jerseys, training wear, fashion, accessories, gifts, all of that. You could buy directly from my United store. And I'm going back to the app. You could look at tickets and hospitality. Man United as a club, you could check on the fan base, the players, the stadium, Great Old Trafford, and more. So anything you're privy to, just search it here. And you could also scroll down to these videos. You could watch all of this content right here on the Man United site. So if you found that insightful, you'll be able to get some content, click on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video.